What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, a Zabs project, and today we are going to be doing a quick episode on this Toyota Supra. Yes, you can see it's raised up from the front, reason being because the exhaust manifold was leaking, so we had to rechange the gasket on it. Now we've got the gasket changed, so let's start the car up. And we haven't started the car up for a while now, so we're going to start the car up, see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds nice and there's no exhaust fumes coming out this engine bay or the rear of the exhaust or center exhaust. I mean, we checked the rear and the center. At that point it was perfect. I'm not sure actually if I've uploaded the video of exhaust manifold change. Maybe not. I don't think so. I got that recording. However, we've done the gasket. It was missions. We had to undo all the top air intel, air take, the heat shield, drop the manifold down, put the gasket. Then we had to jack the car up from the front, get a jack underneath. Luckily put a cushion in between the jack and the exhaust. Jack the exhaust, pull the manifold slightly forward just to get it in alignment. Put it on, because we didn't remove the exhaust from the gasket. We did it all just from the manifold. So we didn't remove the exhaust pipe, the damn pipe from, we didn't detach it from the manifold. We just removed the whole manifold with the exhaust attached. So I mean, silly way, but it worked. We got it done. So let's fire up the car and let's see what it does. So currently that's how the interior looks. It's got some spare boxes there. So this seat, I'll replace that with the OEM seat. It's just missing a carpet, that's all. But I mean, apart from that, interior is complete, and it's missing a stereo. Door cards are all there. The rear seats are also there. So if I give you a cold start, oh, it's missing a gear stick as well. Just about to warm up now. So that was roughly about 3-minute run, and as you can see, the rev counter was steady. It wasn't missing a beat at all. I reckon that worked absolutely a treat. So the car sounds so much better. Exhaust sounds nice and beefy and meaty. There's no leaks at all, so success. Guys, I do hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And like I said, I apologize, it is a short episode, but that's what we're gonna do today. Reason being, because we are doing some housework and it is a big mess. I'm not gonna show you around the side what's going on, but it is, I'm telling you, it's a mess. So stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hopefully we'll bring more episodes on the Supra. It is nearly done. Just need to put a new carpet in there, clean the interior up, change the front seat, give it a clean, do something with the rims because it looks ugly. Anyway, we'll catch you soon.